Dragon Scale features Amba heated towel racks. So why have a Amba towel rack in your bathroom? Not only does it warm your towel, it dries it. And by drying the towel, that helps prevent mold and mildew from building up. They're not for just drying towels. You can also dry your bathrobe and keep it nice and warm. They can be used, of course, in the bathroom, but also in the laundry, where you can dry delicate items that can't go into the dryer. Another use would be in a pool room. Make sure all your towels are dry and warm when you get out of the pool. Amba towel racks come in a lot of different shapes and sizes. We can wall mount them. We can mount the electric directly into the wall or into an existing plug that you have. We also have freestanding towel racks. As you can see here, this is a nice polished chrome, gold chrome, matte black, brushed stainless, and chrome again. Always have a nice, fresh, warm, hot towel when you're coming out of the shower.